Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Removing unwanted objects from your iPhone photos is easier than ever in 2026, and you don't need to spend a dime. Step 1. Open the Photos app and select the image you want to edit. Tap the Edit button in the top right corner to enter editing mode. You'll see various editing tools appear at the bottom of your screen. Step 2. Look for the new Magic Eraser tool, which Apple added to make object removal super simple. It's represented by a wand icon in the editing toolbar. Tap on it to activate the removal feature. Step 3. Use your finger to circle or brush over the object you want to remove from your photo. Be as precise as possible, but don't worry about being perfect. The tool will automatically detect the area and intelligently fill it in. Step 4. Watch as the app analyzes the background and surrounding pixels to seamlessly erase the unwanted object. You might need to brush over the area a couple times if it doesn't look right the first time. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap Done to save your edited photo. Your original image remains unchanged, so you can always go back and try again if you want to adjust anything.